Ako si Felix Marauda, DTF operator ng Honda dito sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw namin itong nagagamit. May 45 meters kami ineran dito this week. Ito po ang heads. Cupping, good and working. Head clean. Punasan ng cupping. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Buo naman ang nozzle check. Temperature check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Basing tank na linis ng Friday. Ground wire. ABR. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Daily output updated. Consumables withdrawal updated. Weekly inventory updated. Calibration updated. Weekly maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.